Hey, what's happening? I did figure out how to get better lighting, so here is Tent City for you. The surfboard. Those old blankets. That's my bucket for when things happen. I got trash bags on it, just in case I haven't had to use it yet. I go out and squat in the woods if need be. It's a monitor for back in the old days. Don't even have to use that anymore. There's some cameras. Water and crackers and pineapple and some toaster strudels and some white chocolate peanut butter and the Bible and some bread. Of course, the wind. The wind, the wind, the wind. Alright. There's the van. While the hurricane is a-pounding. Yeah. Ooh, shaking the van up. Alright. This is kind of scary to me because I really don't know what I look like. I've got this old Shakespeare here, and checking it out, and it's really old actually, but this is Hamlet along with some other good stuff. This actually has and I have the whole set. 1893. London and New York, Frederick Warne and Company. The Bedford edition, the works of William Shakespeare. They're fun. I got the sonnets somewhere. I don't want to advertise my cigarettes. Alright, let's see what else this hurricane does.